Is it too late to invest in Ethereum? Should you invest in Ethereum? What is Ethereum's future? How does Ethereum even make money? So Ethereum is basically like hitting new grounds right now. If you've seen Ethereum's chart, it has gone from 1,45,000, 1,50,000 to now at 3,20,000, and that is crazy. Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today's video is going to be all about Ethereum. It has seen some phenomenal growth in the past few months, and that's what we're going to address. Before we actually begin with this video, I hope you went through the questions that we'll be addressing. If you didn't, before we start the video, let me just quickly mention that there are timestamps mentioned in this video, so you can watch them to kind of get an idea of the sections that you want to watch or that might be right for you. So please don't skip this video, it sends a really bad signal to YouTube. If you're new around here, click on the subscribe button before we start and click on the like button. I promise you this video is going to be good. Why is Ethereum growing so quickly? I mean, what is so special about it? There are tons of other cryptocurrencies, but why is it seeing this linear growth since the past few months? So for you to understand this, you need to understand how Ethereum really works and how it really makes its money. First of all, Ethereum is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Monero. So it does all that basic work, right? It stores the transactions and works on that blockchain technology, all the technical stuff. Plus, it is also a network on which developers and miners can make their own cryptocurrencies. And I don't think you understand how huge this is, because every time the crypto market grows, people will put in money into Ethereum, into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as well. So it will make money from there, and then people will also develop their own cryptocurrencies, since when something comes into light, it is obviously going to attract people, technical people who are going to design more of that stuff, right? So they can use this Ethereum network to build their own cryptocurrencies, and this is huge. So whenever the crypto market sees a growth, it is going to earn money in two ways: one by being a cryptocurrency and the other by being a network. So that is how it actually makes so much money. Next, we're going to talk about the price prediction for Ethereum 2021. So as we speak, Ethereum is rising manifolds, and it is rising linearly. It has already hit that 4,000 mark, and it is surely going to go up even more. In this year, in 2021, it is somewhere expected to hit that 10,000 mark, even the 12,000 mark, or go higher. However, this has to be taken with a pinch of salt. The crypto market is unpredictable. Any news going against Ethereum can obviously bring down the prices manifold. But considering how stable Ethereum is, considering it is the second largest cryptocurrency out there in the market after Bitcoin, considering how many whales have put in billions of dollars into Ethereum, into trusting that currency, and as I told you how it makes money, so it's always going to be a good thing for Ethereum.